I'm not doing a single thing. Today, I'm ill before I hit Call of Duty. It must have started a hurricane off with the size of my nose before I rank up this XM4. Patrick Vieira vibes. Let's go. Who's that now? Okay. Oh my gosh. I think I broke my headset. Call of Duty can wait. We've got some sneakers. I've got some cold. A cold. Never in my life have I seen 2 pairs of sneakers come in a box like this. You learn something new. And obviously, we've got the third wheel here. 3 sneakers, forgive the cold, first and foremost. I know I sound like I've got something lodged up my nose. It's that time of year. It's the man flu season. Anyway, 3 sneakers I'm very excited about. 2, I'm a bit nervy and cautious about. 1, I'm definitely not sure about, first and foremost. 1, yeah, it's an OG. It's one of the best colorways to one of the most iconic shoes ever. Let's start off with the small package. Let's put this one down just for a memento. It's a red standard Nike box. I mean, it's an MX-90. It's a GR, but it's a premium, you know, a PRM, just like it says on the box. And the official colorway is black photon dust and cool gray. Let's open this up and see. Ooh, they are naughty. Naughty. So they are the carbon fiber Air Max 90 infrared. Wowza. I saw an early look. Shout out to Ryan's Kicks. I'll link his channel and video down below. Saw him with these on. I think he got them early on the resale market. Yeah, these are special, bruh. These are special. And we are going to talk about the MX 90 just after we have a quick look around this shoe. Yes, the latest pickups. I just talk about the general unboxing, first impressions. We are going to do an individual review to all of these sneakers, so subscribe for that. But yeah, this sneaker, it's a banger. I mean, the Infrared 90 is my favorite shoe of all time. And it's a nice twist. I mean, we've had some iterations to the infrareds, but this sneaker, honestly, it works, you know, surprisingly. I would never have thought to put the carbon fiber panels on this shoe. And to some people, they may not like it. But yeah, I just think it's got the right amount of color, the right amount of stealthy hits too. But man, when Nike said premium, they weren't lying. Like, this looks so clean. Surprisingly, you got different shades of infrared on this shoe. Like, for instance, the air unit, that sort of bit surrounding that. Yes, a very colorful hit to the infrared. But then the Air Max branding on that TPU panel, and even the eyelets too, it's way more muted. But yeah, to be fair, it works. I've seen people say the carbon fiber is a bit too much on this sneaker. But I mean, it just looks good. I don't know how, I don't know why. And maybe because it doesn't pop too much, you know? It's stealthy, but has that shine as well. So yeah, very cool, very exciting, and especially the Air Max 90. Let's talk about that shoe. I've been screaming for a long time now. The Air Max 90 have been sort of neglected. You know, over the years, nothing too exciting. But slowly but surely, even last year, we had the Air Max 90 drifts. There was another colorway, the reverse dark camo. That came back as well. But now we've got colorways like this, like the Racer Pack. Oof, that Racer Pack, bro. There's a lot to them, that whole pack. So many colorways. They just look good. They all honestly look good. There was a camo pack that dropped as well, which is different to the reverse dark camos. Different colors, different panels. And what's even more cool, apart from the colors looking great, all the camouflage patterns are totally different. So like that pink pair is different to the orange, and the orange is different to the green. So yeah, if you like camouflage, chicken dinner, my friends. This pair though, I'm liking it, man. They've done it very well. They executed it amazing. Yes, the carbon fiber might be a bit too much for some people, but for me and for a lot of people, man, they've done it justice, bro. Now, time for the weirdest sneaker box in history. A sneaker that was actually an early drop. It drops on the 15th of February, which is my birthday. Save that in your dates, broskies. Why is this on my desk the whole way through? That was only meant to be there for the skit, but anyway. Oh, I didn't know it came in that box. And I take it all back. This packaging, the way they've done it, protects the boxes, and a cute little message, yeah? So shout out to them. Let's start off with one of the OGs. And this week has been all about the Bread Jordan 1s. You know, the OG of OGs, bands that people are running with, the marketing is running with. It's cool. Gets the people talking, gets the people buzzing about a shoe that we've seen thousands of times in ways that we shouldn't have seen, you know, like the patent leather, AJKOs and other stuff. But anyway, look, this box, Woo! The black toes, ladies and germs. I actually went for this. I didn't go for the breads. FOMO started to creep in. Won't lie to you. Saw a lot of people posting. Got them early off Offspring and I was like, oh, did I miss out? But I'm not really a Jordan guy. I'm mostly an Air Max guy. But Jordan 1s, 3s and 4s, those 3 sneakers when an OG colorway comes out or a shoe that I've been looking forward to that I couldn't really get my hands on when I started collecting, it kind of creeps up on you. And the breads, as cool as they are, I don't know. I'm just not the biggest fan of the 85 shape. Shoot me now, but that's just me. That's me. This colorway though, didn't even know about this box. I've not seen no videos or nothing. And I know there were early pairs. Yeah, shout out to Hasto, bro. He got his pair early as well. But yeah, just looking around this box, first and foremost, the GOAT, MJ himself, which this sneaker is kind of based on with this picture. It's an iconic picture with Jordans wrapped around his neck with the sample pair Air Jordans on the shoe. And yeah, doesn't have the Wings logo, which is really ruffling a few feathers amongst the sneaker community. But yeah, the box is cool, very different to what we used to. Things like this I've been screaming for, bruh. Just changing it up, especially on OG colorways, you know? But the product sticker does say though, Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, and the official colorway is white, black, varsity red, and sale. I wasn't even meant to buy these, bro. I proper thought, nope, start of the year, pace myself, just relax for the personal collection. Yes, you know what? It is what it is. Oh, man. Inside the lid, though, got the Wings logo with special attention, M. Jordan. I like that. Man, they've done so much right, bro. They've done a lot right, man. Wow. Just when I thought I was done with Jordan 1s. And had to pull out the Chicago jumper with 1993, my birth year. Now, the tissue paper is pretty cool. You got iconic MJ photos with Nike way back when he first collaborated with them, when he first started off his Jordan brand, I guess. And yeah, even the Wings logos took a total different direction, as you can see from this sample pair, this shoe itself, and even the logos in the tissue paper or on the tissue paper. But look, tissue paper aside, it's a fire shoe. The shape's really nice. I know it's not the 85 cut that people, you know, spunk over, but yeah, as much as that shape's cool, don't get me wrong, I'm not a hater. It's just, yeah. For me, I prefer this, bro. I don't know. It's just me, innit? So yeah, a lot of decent panels. I mean, not the best leather. Yeah, it's just the Jordan 1, you know? It's the Jordan 1 of 2025. Let me just say it that way. But yeah, you've got white underlays. You've got the overlays that are black, which I love, you know, especially around that toe box, the black toes as they're called. And that lovely muted red that is iconic with this shoe and the Chicago Jordan 1s as well. I like it. I like it a lot. Now, what replaces the Jordan Wings logo is the Air Jordan badge right on the side. And yeah, as bold as it is, it still does look cool. You know, it's kind of a new iteration to this shoe. Like I've said, some people won't like it, purists especially, and I get it. But how many times can we see the same shoe and still get excited? You know, they have to change up something. And what's even more cool, and damn man, it is very subtle. It says, "My very best, Michael Jordan," on the other side, which apparently is a nod to signing his friend's shoe. So yeah, that's another nice touch. Now we've got the sail midsole, which is aged ever so slightly. Not too overdone as well, which yeah, I don't mind. We've got 2 sets of laces though. We've got black and red. And I kind of wish they were white, but I might just go for black on this one. You know, keep it simple. What about you, broskis? Are you going for sail in these? Are you going for white? Or are you going to stick to red or black? Let me know what laces you're using. And yes, we've got the blacked out tongue here with the Nike Air branding in red on top of that black tab. And yes, to finish off with the outsole, lovely red hits. I love it, bruh. I love it. Just to let you know though, broskis, I'm going to try all of these sneakers on at the end so I can rush through these. That's the black toe, Jordan 1, one of the most iconic OG colorways for me, second behind the Chicago's for me. But yeah, let me know what you rank in terms of this pair out of the ones, the highs. The last pair though we are going to get to, which is actually a pretty cool box. It's the Air Max DN8. Now, I've got a lot to say. I'm not going to lie to you, but let's talk about the box, get this out of the way. Now, it's all blacked out here with, yes, the white Nike swoosh there. Air Max branding is as bold as my head. White font with the orange, which kind of looks cool, I'll be honest. On one side, though, we've got DN8 with the Nike swoosh, and then we've got the 4 circles times 2. DN8, kind of 4 chambers times 2. What they did on the DN, basically, but they've ramped it up a notch. I'm just going to tell you that. Now, the product sticker does say Air Max DN8, and the official colorway is Hyper Pink, black and hyper pink. And also there's a new Air Max logo to the side of that in orange. Okay, let's open this up. Ooh, all right, this is kind of cool. We've got some new tissue paper, which I don't actually mind, you know, I do like that sort of thing, especially to a new sneaker. A lot of jargon on here, talking about the air pockets, the air units, the air chambers, whatever they keep calling these things. It is kind of cool though, I have to give it to Nike. It's a sort of teardown of the air technology in this shoe. I don't know, bro. I don't know, bro. Why this color, man? Man, oh man. I gotta zoom in for this one. Jeez Louise. Pink. I mean, hyper pink. They are hyper, bro. You need to cut down the sugar and the fizzy drinks because these are too hyper, bro. But going around this shoe though, I won't lie. The pink is way too loud for me. Bit of a silly one to launch with this colorway. I know there's a red floating around and yeah, there's other colors too, but pink, bro. I really think they're trying to cheese people off at this point. But minus the colorway, the panels do actually look kind of cool. Now we've got those wavy patterns that do very much resemble the Air Max 96 Supreme. If it's just me, let me know. If you can see it too though, yeah, that's the first thing I thought of. Got the black Nike swoosh there though, which does stand out for obvious reasons. I mean, anything on this pink upper would stand out to be fair. Now the underlays do look cool though. It looks like a sort of textile mesh, which yeah, is defo gonna hold up. Moving on to the lacing though, which to be fair, does actually look good in terms of how they've done it. But yes, all pink here with the laces, with the tongue, with the black Air Max branding in that new font that Nike are going with. And you'll never guess what color the insole is. Yes, it's pink. Surprise, surprise. But we do have the Air Max DN logo there, which does resemble what we had last year with the DN and even before that with the Nike TN. And unlike my hairline, I won't lie to you, it's actually growing on me. But yes, we've got it again on the heel counter, which does look even more cool because it's cased in that TPU. Now, one of the biggest reasons I initially didn't like the shoe, and it's the same for a lot of people, it's the air units, the midsole, and yeah, just how it looks. Sometimes Nike, less is more. And in this case, they've ignored that completely. I said it initially that it looks like spider eyes, you know, all the eyes you see on a spider close up. If you've seen Harry Potter, you know what I'm talking about. But look, in terms of the colorway, they actually do look cool. It's all blacked out here, very stealthy in that sense. The air pockets or chambers or units, whatever they're calling these things, very much bigger towards the back and yeah, looks a bit smaller towards the front. And what I found pretty cool, what Nike do say that they use in terms of the air technology, they say they use low pressure towards the middle parts of the shoe to get a better bounce and better response in terms of the force. And then high pressure towards the back and the front. And even pressing down on the air units, you can actually feel that. A new outsole here though to the DN8 silhouettes, kind of resembling the DN, the original. And it is kind of cool though. You've got these sort of translucent panels going down the middle of the shoe with the DN Air logo bang smack in the middle. But yeah, that's pretty much it, broskis. What an interesting shoe. Man, I can't even fathom what Nike, the design team, the release team, whatever they call themselves, what they were thinking with pink as their launch colorway, bro. Is it just to get the people talking? Is it just to annoy people? I don't know. What we're gonna do now though, we're gonna try all these sneakers on because a lot of people might be thinking, how do they fit? Because it's a new silhouette and all that sort of jazz. And I wanna see what they feel like on foot because new technology in a way, or new sort of ways of using the technology, the outsole, the midsole, it's got the people talking. So let's try these on very quickly, broskies. I won't lie to you. Putting the DN8s on, they're comfy. They are very comfy. Only thing I would say, they are a bit snug, but is it enough for me to half size up? I think so. I think so. Just because I'm wearing thin socks as it is and they are lifted towards the back, you know? I'll show you what I mean. As you can see, if I just sit down for 2 ticks, my toe is actually like here. Can you see that? My toe's sort of there. Now, it's not the worst, like there is a bit of space. It's just, I know when your feet are sweating, you're actually walking around in these, gymming in these, bro, you definitely need to half size up. And bro, I've got narrow feet. I say this every video, so if I'm saying that, they do narrow off towards the toe as well. And because they're lifted, look, you see that is kind of lifted. I know it's not the biggest sort of heel lift. Defo noticeable, bruh. It is defo noticeable, so half a size up. But yeah, let me know what you think, broskis, how these look on feet. Obviously, I haven't got the best sort of trousers to work with these. They don't look bad. It's just, I think some cuff joggers, some cuff cargos will defo do this sneaker way more justice. Even this colorway, if that's possible. But yeah. Here we are, broskies. Let me know what you think down below. Okay, I know it looks silly, but I'm not lacing them up just yet because I'm gonna save all that for the proper review. So even though I look like a plonker, you just have to deal with it. Sizing though, fits pretty much the same as a Jordan 1 high. And yep, they're not laced up properly. So yeah, just take my word for it, bruh. True to size, your normal Jordan 1 high sizing. I'm out of breath. Man, there's just something about a black toe. And I'm not talking about a fungal infection, okay? But yeah, true to size broskies, amazing OG colorway. There we are. Next up, the Air Max 90 infrared carbon fiber. Last but not least, a lovely pair, a lovely colorway. They look good, man. They look good on feet. In terms of sizing though, yeah, they fit like a normal 90 in my opinion. True to size, honestly, enough padding in there and enough sort of cushioning. I know people do have a problem with the 90 in terms of comfort. I don't mind it though. It's not the most comfiest. A sneaker, if you wore for a few hours, you can get away with. Not all day though. Not all day. Bit stiffer, you know, in terms of the fiber, the carbon fiber, but nothing too drastic in terms of on-feet experience. There we have it. Sizing and fit out of the way. Obviously, this is just the latest pickup video, an unboxing video to all of these sneakers. Hold on. Still got them on. That's how good they are. The Air Max 90 carbon fiber infrared. Everything about these latest pickups, I've been excited to sort of get them in. Obviously, black toes, iconic. Never had them before. So yeah, excited to have these. DN8s. It's a new Air Max, so I have to see what all the fuss is about. Colorway wise, bro, I've seen worse, but I mean, yeah, not much worse. That's all I can say. Anyway, the model though, pleasantly surprised how comfy they are. Carbon fibers, yeah, another great iteration to an infrared colorway. Some people may think it's too much. I think it's done the perfect amount, you know? There's enough infrared on there, couple shades of it, bit of sort of stealthy vibes, but at the same time, it's still gonna pop. People are still gonna look at that shoe and think, wow, they're nice. But broskies, the man flu has got me. I'm gonna slap on some more Vicks, some Vapor Rub, get this video edited and hopefully out before Wednesday. Hopefully Monday or Tuesday. I'm excited to see how people perceive this on the 15th of Feb, my birthday, don't forget, and see what people like genuinely think about the box, the details, the Air Jordan and stuff like that. Anyways, broskies, don't forget, do all that good stuff, like, comment, share, and yes, subscribe. Until the next episode though, switched it up on ya. Take care. Oh my God. I felt that in my brain. Ooh.